So the reason anxiety and trauma responses don't go away via talk therapy is because for healing to take place, there's a certain thing that needs to happen, and that is a certain subcortical structure um, called the limbic system needs to be triggered. That has to happen in the session. And then there has to be a strong contradiction to the original emotional learning of what happened in that original moment. So if things are not set up that way, healing doesn't seem to happen. So things like EMDR, something called deep brain reorienting, which is fairly new out of Europe, internal family systems, those type of approaches have it set up to where the limbic system is going to be triggered and strong contradictions are set up. And that's when people change and heal.